Hello and welcome to Smallton. Oh, there we go, we've got the co-power nonsense out the way. So what are we doing on the layout today? Well, what we've done is installed Mr. Belcher's mansion now. I've just got to finish gluing it down and redoing the road in front of it. Unfortunately, I've still got to clean up the mess that the house elf made when she decided to wash the windows and spilt water all over my layout. And yes, a little body is sore after that. Anyway, we'll leave that going on. I've also decided to put a permanent sign onto one of the buildings. Oh, it looks like one of the workers there has decided to help himself to the contents of the brewery. Oh, well, we'll sort him out later. So, what we're doing, some of you may have seen that I'm converting an engine shed to do something else. Now, on here's the normal goods shed. What I've done with the lighting inside is to connect the bulbs up using standard cables, and I've never really been happy about this because it's just not looked right. So that will get modified. So here we are on our Metcalfe one, the engine shed which I'm modifying, and you can see that I've put some pieces of aluminium tape across the bottom. Now, just for proof of concept, I've connected up a battery and I have a 12 volt bulb. Now, all my systems is 12 volt, and I put this 9 volt battery, the 12 volt bulb on the 9 volt battery, and the system actually works. So here in the office, this is just going to be standard LED lighting from overhead on the roof. But here I'm going to suspend some bulbs on this side and the far side. Now on the wall there, yes, on the wall here, on the inside near the clock, I don't know if you can see that, it's not very good lighting in here, I'm afraid. I'm going to run the cables down the side there, one of which I'm going to make obvious. The reason for that is I'm also going to put a small square of plastic card or whatever I can find to actually make it look like the switches for the bulbs inside. Now for the office, it will probably, something will go on the inside of there, which may be just a square, a small, very small square of white paper. Now I've still got to finish painting off that wall, and also on the inside here. Now this was an existing building which I'm modifying to suit. Now I may actually extend the office on that side, since there's no reason why I shouldn't, and there's nothing on that particular wall except the brick paper and everything else. Take this up, and yes, I'm afraid this isn't glued down yet. There's only the notice board there, so if I wanted a second office, I could take it from just to the left of that notice board and bring it out to the full extent of the platform and and take it into the wall and leave that window there and just cover over this little bit of a mess that we've got down here and here. What else? Yes, you see there's the clock and the clock card holder. Excuse me. So that's one of the things we've been doing, so I'd be happily soldering all these cables up and testing each one as I do them, and then all this can go back into place and I can just pinch this top back end slightly. It's had a tendency to flex outwards during construction. And for the bottom here, if only I'd have known about a little tip about super glue strengthening card from Tony Northeaster before I started doing this, it would have been a lot better and looked a bit better. But still, never mind, we'll have to do with what we've got. Thanks for that tip, Tony. So what we'll be doing on the bottom here, sorry about that, something just fell out, annoying me, is I'm going to put a ramp which will line up with the actual ramp will come up just before this first window, run along to the entranceway for people to get into the building via the entrance door there, which still needs a little bit of work doing on it, but we'll get there eventually, and possibilities of some kind of cover for loading. Now, I was originally going to leave this open and just have some steps into the office, but then I realised that the stacker trucks would have to gain entrance to the inside onto the platform area. So I've now decided that a ramp would probably be better. Now this is far from finished, so I know that there's a lot of you saying about white edges, etc. The only real problem was when I was installing these doors, I did some minor damage to this section here. But fortunately, I might be able to repair that by just putting a piece of card or paper, print paper of the same colour over it to repair it. Now I've got the same to do there, and I may put a piece along there to make it look like the entire section has been rebuilt. Sorry about that. So, right, the power. The power's going to be coming in through here where these cables are. Sorry about the light, it's directly overhead, so, and I can certainly take one cable through here, and as I say, I'm going to put the other one down the corner here and straight out through a small hole and underneath the office to join up with all the other cables. So hopefully that's the idea. It may change, it may not, I don't know. It depends on what I come up with. Anyway, it's just a little tip. So thanks for watching. Any new subscribers, please leave a message. I will look at your channels. I've not much else to do since there's no work for me at the moment. So take care and all the best. Bye for now. Bye.